Yo, and we in freaking Las Vegas. This is the strip. This is what everyone talks about right here. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Yo, so what is up guys? It's your boy Lars, aka Motor Bro, and we out here in Las Vegas. We met up with some homies who have street legal SSR pit bikes, 140cc. Like, look how badass this bike is. Look, street legal, it has a plate and everything. Like, and bro, it's so dialed. Literally, I was riding this thing earlier and it felt just like my bike, except it's a little smaller. Dude, it is fucking sick, for real. But look at these freaking pit bikes. They're so badass. Look at that shit, bro. 140cc SSR pit bike. Woo. Yeah, buddy, we out here in Vegas. We out here in Vegas, bro. Woo! Hey, Vegas is that life right here. This is so sick, bro. Literally, I've been meeting up with you guys. I've been meeting up with subscribers this whole trip. And like, you guys been letting me stay at your house. And like, dude, the love is real, bro. We a family, bro. I tweeted, you guys are more than just subscribers. Y'all family. And that is true, straight up. MB gang, we a family, bro. How many times do I gotta say it? We a family. Hey, look at these SSR pit bikes. Yo, look how fast they're going, bro. A 140cc? Bro, we're going 60. Holy shit. Yes. Hey, yes. Yo, look at these palm trees, bro. We straight chilling, bro. I feel like I'm in Los Angeles.
I look around me and I'm like, where is this fucking guy? And then I look back and I just see your headlight pointed to the sky.
Just chilling in a wheelie.
There he is.
That's so sick. Yeah, so we're just chilling in this wheelie on this beautiful Monday in Las Vegas, brothers. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to pull some fucking wheelies. Wheelie gang. I wonder what these people think of me. Like, I'm just fucking wheeling this whole time. I ain't gonna put her down. Hell no. Try me. Until I can't feel my wrist, I ain't putting this bitch down. Oh shit. Oh tits. Alright, I'm gonna put her down before I fucking run into a Fiat. Woo! Vibing out in the knee knocker. Like I said on my Instagram, if you don't follow me at MotorBro, I was like doing a knee knocker to Las Vegas. Literally, that's what I'm doing. Woo, that was a little bump right there. One thing I've been doing, guys, with my wheelies, I've been paying attention to the road. So like, I used to never pay attention to the road to see if it was like bumpy or not. But lately, I've always been like, if I'm in a wheelie, I'm looking in front to make sure there's no bumps. Because if you're going 12 o'clock and you hit a bump, oh no, no.
This is the area where all the street bike riders come and they stunt.
Okay.
This thing right here.
Hell yeah. Yeah. Alright. Yes! Full speed ahead. Dude. Oh my god, this is street legal too? Like, my mind is blown. Yo, this feels like my Oh, that feels like my bike right there. Woo! Damn, I was trying to get a 4th gear wheelie. Woo! Yo, this is badass. Street legal SSR pit bike. I can't stop saying that, bro. This was like my dream, bro. To have a freaking pit bike street legal, and they did it, bro. First people in Las Vegas to make SSR street legal. These people did it right in front of me. Yo, dude, I love this, bro. You trying to sell it?
No.
Bro, oh my god. Oh my. So security. This is sick. We're in like a little marketplace. Hello. Yo, I love wheeling this bike. It just... Yo, dude, I'm killing it on this bike, dude. Sorry guys, I'm a hooligan. Just don't mind me. Good. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little walk around for you guys because I know you guys are probably wondering like, what the hell? So look at this bad boy. Street legal, bro. It has all the lights. We got the freaking, we got a hella horn. We got LED light, bro. Look, it's clean. Super fucking, super clean. Hey.
Good start and get gas and shit.
What's good, bro? Dude, sick rum. But yeah, let's go shred, bro. MB gang, we out here, dog. Yeah. Oh, you got the handbrake on this and everything?
Yeah, hey, you gotta flow with this on the dirt bikes tomorrow, bro.
Woo! Off we go, baby. That's that pit bike life. Hey, good shit, bro. You're killing it. Yeah, I got a feeling my boy shreds. Yo, we got the strip ahead of us right now. We're about to go in that, and we're pretty much just gonna destroy the streets. Skirt, skirt. Out there. Shredding. All right. Coasting in, baby. Yo, and we in freaking Las Vegas. This is the strip. This is what everyone talks about right here. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Gangster. We're about to get a little wild, I can tell. Woo! He said, oh. Yes. Woo! Dude, I love it. Wheeling in freaking Las Vegas, bro. Ah, yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. Yo, it's legal here, right?
No.
What? It's legal here, right? Yo. Oh, that's your horn. Where the There it is. Yeah. This one. Yes. Hey. That was a close one right there.
I'm so used to the dirt bike.
Okay. Oh, you have a dirt bike too?
Yeah.
Alright, where does it have a handbrake and shit, or?
No, it's just a YZ450.
Okay. You gonna ride that tomorrow, or?
Yeah.
Alright, for sure. Yep, that was a backfire. I fuck with that. Dude, I'm gonna get a Grom, bro. Yo, my boy's shredding in my DRZ. Yeah. Damn, that shit's gonna be on YouTube, bro. Hey, you better check that out, Moto Bro. It's gonna be on YouTube. My boy, my boy. Holy shit, that was a fail. He fell right in front. Alrighty, guys. Dude, today's video has been so lit. Wheeling down the Vegas Strip. So much freaking fun. Remember to stay motivated. I hope you guys are enjoying this series of me traveling across the country. I freaking love you. Peace!